Today we're going to do a super fast coffee soft serve ice cream. You can make this in any ice cream machine you want, but it is designed to be perfect for soft serve. So the Gourmet soft serve machine is out, cold processed. What are we going to need? You are going to need 380 grams of cream, 36% fat, something between there, 220 grams of whole milk, 180 grams of strong brewed coffee like espresso, 90 grams of sugar, 60 grams of glucose syrup, 30 grams of skim milk powder, 1.5 grams of Guar, 1 gram of salt, 2 grams of vanilla extract. That's it, super nice and easy. I have already brewed the coffee. This is cooling down now. We're gonna add it into the milk anyway, so it's gonna make it nice and cold, nice and fast. So let's simply get everything into this bowl. First thing, we're gonna go straight in with our coffee. Into that, we're going to add in our milk and vanilla extract. Just a tiny bit to boost that coffee flavor a little bit. Now we have our glucose syrup, light corn syrup, identical stuff. So in that goes. Next, we're going to take our dry ingredients here. I'm going to get the largest whisk I can find and mix that together. Now we're going to pop all of that into here. Get rid of that spoon, we don't need that in there. Stir that together. We're going to stir this together just for a couple of minutes to make sure all those solids are dissolved. That is our base done. How quick is that? Let's get this poured into here. Make sure I've got the dasher in there. Auger, I should say. Soft serve. That's it. We're going to leave this to spin up. It's going to take about 20-25 minutes, something like that. Get a cone ready. We're going to get some coffee soft serve. Delicious. Right, we're getting close. We're on the last one. So I got some of this out of the cupboard. This is just like, you know, off the shelf magic shell. You can make this if you want to know how to make this. Super easy. Let me know in the comments and I'll show you how to make it next week. I'm going to take this little container. This is cold. This has not been heated up. And we're going to pour this in there. Don't worry, what we don't use is going to go straight back into this bottle. So we're going to put that aside. Might as well keep the lid off. And we're there. Let's get our cone and get a coffee soft serve ice cream. There is our coffee soft serve ice cream with magic shell on top. Glorious looking ice cream, super quick and easy to make. Obviously magic shell goes hard super quick. Delicious. Perfect texture. Just the right amount of coffee flavor, not too strong. Do this with Nespresso pods or the equivalent, whatever you own. Do this with decaf if you want to, still get the same flavor. Let's have that magic shell. Coffee and chocolate. Perfect combination. And somebody asked me before, can you take soft serve like this, put it in a freezer, defrost it in the refrigerator and then spin it again? Yes, you absolutely can do that. Make sure you defrost it in the refrigerator for a few hours and you can pop it back in and redo it so you're good to go. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Super easy coffee soft serve ice cream. Perfect texture, perfect coffee flavor. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next week when we do Ninja Creamy Praline ice cream. This one is gonna be nice.